In this video, we'll go over how to export high-quality video in DaVinci Resolve. Start by making sure your timeline is open. Now we need to set the project resolution to 4K. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the project settings. Under Master Settings, click on the Timeline Resolution drop-down. Choose the 4K option, which is 3840 by 2160. Once you've selected that, click Save. Now that your project is in 4K, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Make sure the Custom Export preset is selected. Give your file a name and choose a location to save it. For better quality, but with a larger file size, keep the format set to QuickTime. This will export your video as a movie file. If you want a smaller file size and are okay with lower quality, you can change the format to MP4. Next, set the codec to H.264. This gives you a good balance of quality and compatibility. Make sure the resolution here matches your project resolution, which should be 3840 by 2160. Now change the quality setting from automatic to restricted. This lets you set the bitrate manually. For 4K footage at 60 frames per second, you should set the bitrate higher than 50,000 kilobits per second. For the best quality, you can enter 95,000. Then set the encoding profile to high. This helps keep more details in your final export. Once you've set everything, click on Add to Render Queue. Then click on Render All to start exporting your high-quality video.